Today I teach you what's before and what's after, what's between. At the first we talk about before. What does mean of before? Okay. For example, we have number 35. Okay. One number before 35 is 34. Okay. We can say before, it means the number that we have minus 1. Okay. For example, this 35, look at here. 35 minus 1 equal to 34. Look at here. Okay, we can say before, it means that number we have is minus 1. Okay. And for example, we have 34. One number before 34 is 33. Look at here. 34 minus 1 equal to 34 minus 1 equal to 33. Okay. So we can say before, it means the number minus 1. Okay, and the number before 33 is 32. Okay, one number before 32 is 31. One number before 31 is 30. This is about before. Okay, this is about before. We can say this number that we have is minus 1. Okay, now we have another sentence is after. What does mean of after? Okay, after is opposite of before. In the before we say the number that we have minus 1. In after we say this number that we have plus 1. Okay, plus, just a minute. Okay, plus 1. We don't write you there, be careful. Okay. Number plus 1. For example, we have 35. One number after 35 is 36. How can we know? Look at here. We have 35 plus 1 equal to 36. Okay, look at the tens place. Sorry, ones place here. 5 plus 1 equal to 6. So 36 is after 35. Sorry, we have 36. Okay, one number after 36 is, we can plus 1 to know what's the answer. 36 plus 1 equal to 37. Okay, so one number after 36 is 37, and one number after 37 is 38. Like this, we just added one number. One number after 38 is 39, and one number after 39 is 40. Okay, we just plus 1. We just added 1. It's about before and after. And what about between? Okay, what about between? Between is middle of before and after. Middle of before and after. For example, we have 35. 35 is between 34 and 36. Look at here. 35 is between 34 and 36. And we can writing by the number. We have, for example, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Number 2, look at here, is between 3 and 1. Number 2 is between 3 and 1. We can say number 2 is the middle of 1 and 3. It's about between. Okay. Now we have some practice here. It said, I write the numbers that is just before. It means before this number. Okay, we have 48 and 49. Before 48, which number is came? 47. How can we know? We minus 1. Okay, 48 minus 1 equal to 47. So the number, one number before 48 is 47. Okay, and we have number 2. We have 60 and 61. One number before 60. Which number? We can say 60 minus 1 equal to 59. So one number before 60 is 59. Okay. We have another one. Is number 3. I write the number that's between the two numbers. It's about between. Okay. We have 88 and 90. Which number is came after 88? 88 plus 1 is equal to 89. Okay. So 89 is between 88 and 90. This is so easy. Okay. This is so easy. And we have number 4. Again, it's about between. What's the number that came between 66 and 68? Look at the first number. We have 66. What's the number came after 66? We plus it. Just 1. So 66 plus 1 equal to 67. Okay? 67. Okay. Very good. We have activity number 5. I write the number that is just after. It's about after. Okay? After number. In the after, you say, we use the plus. For example, this number we plus 1. We added 1 number. But in before, we minus 1 number. Okay? Be careful in this sentence. We have number 5. We have 72, 73. Look at here. Okay, just 1 number. After 73, what is the number? You can say 73 plus 1. Of course, 74. Okay? 74 is came after 73. And we have activity number 6. Choose another color. Okay. We have 97 and 98. What's the number came after 98? Okay, we can write like that. A 98 plus 1 equal to 99. Okay? 99. So, just be careful in this. We can say in after, we just added 1 number. But in before, we just minus, or we can say subtract just 1 number. Okay? Very good. And you can solve this with me, or you can open another page, 180. Okay. We have some practice here. It's so easy about same practice that we did. We use black one. Okay. Number 1, I write the number that's between the two numbers. It's about between. Okay, we have 2 number here. It said, what's the number that came between 88 and 90? Of course, we can add 1 number to this 88. To know more, understand. 88 plus 1. 88 plus 1 is equal to 89. Okay, so 89 is between 88 and 90. Okay, we have number 2 again. It's about between. Okay, what is the number that came between 11 and 30? Of course, the number is 12 because we plus it one number to the 11. Okay, we can say 11 plus 1 equal to 12. Okay, we have number 3. Again, it's about between 39 and 41. What's the number came? Is 40. How can we know it's 40? Because we can say 39 plus 1 equal to 40. Okay, and we have number 4. What's the number that came between 54 and 56? The number is 55. How can we know? Because we plus just one number to 54. We add just one number to 54. Okay? We have number 5. Number 5, it said, I write the number that's just before or just after. It's about before and after. Which of them is before and which of them is after? Okay? In number 5, we have before. Okay. Before 31, which numbers came? Can tell me? Okay, we can say before is minus 1. For example, 31 minus 1. 31 minus 1 equal to 30. Okay, sorry for this, I think. Very good. 30 is came before 31. Okay, 30 is came before 31. And we have number 6. We have 44. It's about after. What is the number that came after 44? Who can tell me? Of course, we plus just one number to this 44. 44 plus 1 equal to 45. Okay? Equal to 45. And we have number 7. What's the number that came before 20? Of course, is 90. How can we know? We minus 22 one number. Okay, we said 20 minus 1. 20 minus 1 equal to 90. So 90 is before 20. Okay? This is about that activity. And now we have another one is solving problem. In number 8, we have solving problem. I write the missing number on the number line. Okay? Missing number, it means we have between or after or before. Okay? We have 21, 23, 27. Okay. What is the number that came before 21? 20. Okay? 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. What's the number that came after 27? Is 28.